Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is 2.1 Domain and Range of a Function Pretest. Highly suggest you try and do this on your own and then come back to see how I've worked it out. So first problem, factor the following expression. We have this expression. Now one thing that makes this a little bit difficult is this 2. Okay, so I know that 2 is prime, so I'm going to put 2x in front of one and x in front of the other. And then I know I need to find something that makes 30. So let's see. 3 and 10, 5 and 6, 1 and 30, 2 and 15. But this 2 is going to make it a little bit hard, okay? So let's plug in 3 and 10 and see what happens. So I have 3 and 10. If I make that positive and that negative, then I have plus 20x minus 3x, the outside inside. That does not give me 7. So let's go back. We know it's not going to be that. Let's try the next one, 5 and 6. So I know the plus, it's going to be positive because this is positive, it's the larger number. Minus, so let's just check it. So that means I have 2x times, so that's plus 12x minus 5x, and that gives me 7x. So that works out. So this is my answer. Sometimes you have to guess and check. It's just the nature of the thing. Okie dokie, simplify this expression. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this out, and we're going to work on this, and then come back to the expression. So I'm going to distribute the 2, so I have 2x plus 2 over 4x minus 1, okay? Then I'm going to find a common denominator for this, because this is 1 over 1, so we're going to multiply by 4x over 4x. So I have 2x plus 2 minus 4x all over 4x. Okay, let's combine like terms, and I end up with negative 2x plus 2 over 4x. Now I can reduce. I can divide everything by 2, so that goes, and this goes to 2. So I end up with negative x plus 1 over 2. Now I can take it back up here. So, I lost my, there we go. So this equals 3x plus 5 over negative x plus 1 over 2. Or I can write it as the division of fractions. Divided by negative x plus 1 over 2. Now let me make some room here. Hold on just a sec. Okay, and I'm going to change colors just so I can see what's going on. So if I flip this, then I have 3x plus 5 over 1, keep, change division to multiplication, and then flip. I can multiply it out. So I have 2 times 3x plus 5 over negative x plus 1. Which gives me 6x plus 10 over negative x plus 1, which should be your answer. Okay, so the vertical line test, if you're going to do the vertical line test on functions, you're going to take a pencil. This is my best bet at a pencil right here. Pencil, and you're going to roll it that way across the function. From left to right, okay, and if it touches 2 points at any one time, it's not a function. Let's change colors again. Let's do blue. This says expand and simplify. There's a couple different ways you can do this. The shortest way is to use a formula that you are welcome to search, or I just expanded it the way that it was. So let's use the formula. So a plus b cubed is equal to a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Okay, and this is something I had to look up. Don't think that I'm all that, because I am not all of the that. So a is going to be square root of 2x, b is going to be 1 over x, and we're going to plug those in. So a cubed is square root of 2x cubed plus, and I'm just plugging in right now, squared 1 over x plus 3, 2x 1 over x squared plus 1 over x cubed. Mercy. Okay, let's take it one term at a time. So this is going to be square root of 2x times square root of 2x times square root of 2x, which is the square root of 8x cubed, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times x times x times x. Okay. We know that with square root, if there's 2 in the house, you can take 1 out. If there's 2 in the house, you can take 1 out. So that ends up being 2x square root 2x. Okay, I'm going to erase all that, and we're going to do the next term. Okay, so this is 2x square root of 2x. Let me change colors. We'll do bright blue. So let's do plus 3 times the square root of 2x squared is going to be 2x times 1 over x. Okay, so let's reduce that. So I end up with 6x over x, which equals 6. So I'm going to erase this. My second term is 6. Okay, let's get that pen back. Plus 6. And then we have this one where I have 3 times the square root of 2 over x squared. That's as far as that's going to go. So plus 3 square root of 2 over x squared. And then lastly we have, let me pick a different color here, maybe red, plus 1 over x cubed. Okay, so that's all we've got. I'm going to put this one close to this one so I can factor out that square root of 2x. So I have 2x plus 3 times the square root of 2. We'll just do that over x squared plus 6 plus 1 over x cubed. Okay, I think we're good, and I think that's the answer. We're going to go to this portion right here, so I'm going to erase everything and come back. Okay, this says determine the domain and range of the function. So we know that domain, think of your Dixie and Roy D. Okay, so domain is x. So what are all of my x's here? -3, -1, and 5. And what's my range? That's all of my y's, which is 4, 7, and 9. Find the vertex of the parabola. I had to look this formula up. Vertex of a parabola. So this is y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. All right, and hk is equal to the vertex. So for us, that's going to be 5, 9. And I think that's the last problem for this pretest. Yeah, I think so. Okay, have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions.